What up, YouTube? It's Tom Green, down with the Green Thumb Gorillas. Here today, we're about to drop one critical mass seed. Boop. This is my lady right here. She's got 100% germination rate with the critical mass. I have 0%. I have not popped a fucking critical mass seed yet. $100 worth of seeds, I got one fucking critical mass. Ain't that a bitch? Anyway, we're dropping one critical mass, and we're gonna drop one sour diesel. Boom. Reason being, I got that East-West Connect with Mr. Jada. Not Jada, I mean Redicus. And I'm sending him some sour diesel, critical mass, and Liberty Haze. We're not gonna pop a Liberty Haze because Liberty Haze, it does everything you want it to do, bro. I don't need to prove to you that that shit's gonna fucking pop. But I'm popping these critical mass and the sour D because I want to grow it along with you, you know, just to make sure your shit goes right. Because if your shit don't go right, you know, I got you, bro. No bullshit. But we about to go to the post office in a couple hours, and I'm gonna shoot that out to you. I'm gonna shoot you one Liberty Haze, shoot you two critical mass, I'm gonna shoot you two sour D's. Bruh, we have